How are you? I thought I just got up, but I thought just a quick message. I've been looking at all your lovely replies to what I do, and I've noticed so many of you are afraid and frightened and anxious. Don't be afraid. Don't be anxious. It's not going to help. And we will get through this. We'll work hard to do it. And we're working on this. It's an ongoing project. And as long as we stay away from people, you're in a safe place. As long as we keep the people we love in a safe place. As long as we keep away from each other, we will prevail. I know this to be true. So don't be afraid. Please, don't be anxious. It's easy to be anxious. I completely understand that. But I woke up thinking, I'm so pleased I'm alive. And I'm so pleased you're alive. And I just had a dream about my father. I hadn't dreamt about my father. My father died, 27 years ago or something. My dear old dad. There he was in my dream. I seemed to be building a house and he was having a look around, a bit dubious. And, he needed to have a pee. Well, he's 120 now or something. How could you blame him? And he'd shaved off his moustache. I said, Dad, why have you shaved off your moustache? He said, what do you think? What do you think? I said, no, put the moustache back on, Dad. Because, once when he was alive and we were kids, he did shave off his moustache and we all laughed. All the kids were just rolling around the floor. Look, it's Dad with no moustache. It's the silliest thing we've ever seen. And I think he was a little bit hurt about it. So why he turned up in my dream with his moustache off, I don't know. But look, I'll sing you a song later on that'll cheer me up. In the meantime, I'm going to read a poem by the great Seamus Heanley. And it's probably my favorite poem ever. It's called Follower. And the end of it always cracks me up in a, sort of cry way. But let's not cry today. Anyway, I should do this in an Ulster accent just to give it a bit more, a bit more of what you know. I'm not good at accents. I do an accent, of course, an Ulster accent in Peaky Blinders, if you've ever watched that. Anyway, it's called Follower, and it's really about a little boy who follows his father around as he ploughs his field somewhere in Ulster, behind, one of those old ploughs behind two horses. So I have this bit of a creaky chair, but let's see if I can. It's very early in the morning. Let's see if I can do this poem. The cat stays away. It doesn't make me sneeze. I should be able to do this some kind of justice, even though it's very early in the morning. It's by Seamus Heanley. Such a wonderful poet. My father worked with a horse-plough. His shoulders globed like a full sail strung between the shafts and the furrow. The horses strained at his clicking tongue. An expert, he would set the wing and fit the bright steel-pointed sock. The sod rolled over without breaking at the headrig with a single pluck of reins. The sweating team turned round and back into the land, his eye narrowed and angled at the ground, mapping the furrows exactly I stumbled in his hobnailed wake, fell sometimes on the polished sod. Sometimes he rode me on his back, dipping and rising to his plod. I wanted to grow up and plough and close one eye and stiffen my arm. All I ever did was follow in his broad shadow round the farm. I was a nuisance, tripping, falling, yapping always. But today it is my father who keeps stumbling behind me and will not go away. Yep. Your mum and dad, they're always with you. Your mum and dad, they're always with you. Don't be afraid. Please don't be frightened. Don't be anxious. And we'll sing a song later. How about that? See you later.